This is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Moisturizer. This works for anti-wrinkles and firm face and neck. Also, it helps smooth, hydrate area of the skin that can be visible signs of skin aging. This is good for everyday use. You can use morning and evening. This L'Oreal Paris Revitalift is one of good moisturizer cream for hydrating skin, and it really make skin refresh, smooth and softened. It has pro-retinol. This cream made with herb from traditional Chinese medicine. It helps repair the skin barrier to resist visible signs of aging. Use morning and evening. Whatever serum or treatment you want to put, you can do everything. Then later you put this cream. It's very good for skin. After you use this cream, your skin will hydrate it for 24 hours.